2003 Kia Sorrento, crank no start. The customer, which is a mechanic, stated that he replaced the fuel pump and the problem is still there. So we need to check out why it does crank and doesn't start. Here's the ignition switch. Use a screwdriver to get it to start, and let's see what's going on. Of course, I already diagnosed the car, and I just wanted to make a quick video as to why there's no fuel coming to the vehicle. Now this is the fuel fuse right here. It's got power. Now this is the power, and this is the ground coming from the fuel. Now this, I didn't have no ground on this wire right here, so there's no, the fuel pump is not connected to the relay. So we need to find out why that is. Okay, here's the diagram. As you can see, this is the fuel pump relay. This is the fuse. This is the fuse that we checked, it's got power, and this is the relay, and this is where the power goes to the fuel pump. This wire goes to the data reader, the diagnostic port on the Sorrento. The other one goes to the fuel pump, supposedly. So this is number 7. We go to the next one, and we have number 7. It goes up to right side of the engine compartment, fuel cut sensor. This has to be connected to get the power to the fuel pump. So this is what we need to look for. And as you can see, this is the sensor right here. It's got a plastic cap on it, and this is what it is. All you have to do, this is a normal inertia switch. You push it down, reset it, and now we have ground coming to the relay, and we have the car crank and starts. The problem is it's been sitting for a couple of years, so that it has a bad gas, but it does run and start. So the moral of the story, if you have a Sorrento or a Ford or some vehicle with the inertia switch, check the inertia switch and make sure that it's reset. Have a good one.